Meaning of espionage.
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 Espionage. Espionage refers to the act of gathering and transmitting confidential or secret information without permission from the owner of that information. The ultimate goal of espionage is typically to gain a strategic advantage over an individual, organization, or country. Espionage can take many forms, including electronic surveillance, human intelligence gathering, and covert operations. The consequences of espionage can be severe, potentially including legal sanctions, financial penalties, and damage to relationships between nations. In some cases, espionage can even lead to military action or war.